Right, hi there, my name is Suzanne and I'm the training consultant at DiscoverChange Limited, and I'm here with Shanta Allen. Me and Shanta, we've been working together for a few months now, building your exciting business. So we are just going to do this quick video to talk a little bit about what we've been doing over the last few months together. So first of all, Shanta, would you just mind sharing what is it that you do exactly in your business?
I do life coaching, personal life coaching, and today I've done a workshop on life balance.
Great. How was the workshop?
It was brilliant, yeah. Everyone took something away, everyone learnt something new, so it was good all round.
Great, brilliant. So we worked together for a few months, actually. How would you describe, what is it that you wanted to achieve through our collaboration? Because we did some business coaching.
We did some business coaching indeed. I wanted to get a bit more structure and become a little bit more organised in how I did things and have some proper procedures in place.
Okay, good. And you've been building obviously this for a few months now, actually coming probably about a year or so, chipping away. What do you think were the main challenges when you were working alone before?
It's been focused. It's definitely been focused. Good having the ideas. Ideas are fine, but you need to have ideas which are focused and structured in a way that it's going to drive you forward.
Yes, absolutely. So which program did you do actually, if you don't mind just sharing a little bit more?
I did the one-to-one program.
Okay. And why do you think this was a suitable option for you?
Because knowing how I take on board information and knowledge, for me it was better for one-to-one than a group environment.
Yeah, absolutely. And how have you found it? What could you just describe a little bit what we've actually done? In the beginning, I think the plan and the goal was to do some of these workshops.
Yes.
So could you just explain a little bit how have we actually come to this point today and what you've been doing during these few months?
Okay, so during the few months we've sort of identified and put into place a proper sales procedure.
Yep.
A sales process. He's been working with emails and how to target the right people with the right message and in the right way.
Okay.
And there's it's been very structured and very focused, I would say.
Good.
Very focused.
Good. Yes, we did work quite a lot on structuring the emails and how has it gone? It wasn't always easy, was it?
There's a few technical issues.
Yeah.
But that's probably not to do with technology and more to do with my skill set. But we got there in the end.
Absolutely. Yeah. And today you had numerous resources in place as well. Would you just mind sharing a little bit, what is it that you want to achieve through your workshops, for example? Because I love working with people who have a strong vision for helping people. Yeah. So what is it that you want to achieve, or why is it that you do actually coaching in the first place?
Okay, so in terms of the workshop, what I wanted to achieve with the workshop was to let people know that there is another way. Yeah. So whenever they're feeling overwhelmed and stressed or feeling a little bit stuck, there is information out there that they might not know how to access ordinarily. So by spending a couple of hours out of their everyday life and just getting some tips and techniques, that's definitely.
And I could see what a brilliant job you did today, because everybody was really engaged.
Yes.
It was really beneficial to facilitate that conversation. I took loads of photos of you as well that we will be using in social media as well. Yeah. How do you find the interaction that we've had during this? Because we've had quite a lot of contacts pretty much every week.
Yes, so the contact's been good, and it's also been weighted correctly, I feel, because there's enough contact, because sometimes I've worked with coaches in the past and it's like you're like flapping around in the wind because outside of your face-to-face sessions you just don't see them or can't get hold of them, so the communication is very good. It's been very strong, and I really like that. We've been
on the phone quite a lot in between and emails as well, and I think what's been really good is obviously WhatsApp messaging as well, and just troubleshooting some of the technical issues.
It's me going, it's broken, it's not working.
But you have made it, and today was just a great proof of how much you have worked towards, and it's been we've only worked together for about 4 months on this particular project. And how do you feel about it now? How do you feel, because you were quite nervous, obviously, naturally we're all nervous before a workshop, facilitating in front of other people. How do you feel about it now after it's done and what you've achieved?
It's good. So what I'm going to do now is go back, have a bit of a reflection, review the feedback and see what changes I need to make, what I need to tweak, and rinse and repeat, basically.
Great. Okay, brilliant. I could see the huge potential, and you have been very busy gaining new customers as well.
Yeah.
You've had quite a lot of meetings lately, and also a lot of interaction in social media. So clearly it's made a massive impact how active you've been in promoting your services as well. And there's a lot of interest now in what you do, and it can make a huge impact to other people as well. So in terms of just working with me and DiscoverChange Limited and the resources that you've received, there were online workshops, there were face-to-face meetings and the course like we talked. Do you think the course has been beneficial to you?
Absolutely, because as I said earlier, it's definitely sharpened my focus and given me that structure and that discipline, I suppose, that I didn't really have before. So when I thought I was being disciplined, actually I wasn't. So,
sorry.
So again, it's bringing your attention to where you think you are and where you're actually at. So and it's been very, 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 very helpful.
Good.
Yeah.
Happy to hear that. And if there was somebody you would recommend DiscoverChange Limited and the services or the workshops that we do, who do you think it would be for? Who is the most suitable to do the same program than we have now just completed?
Yeah, so it definitely will help people in business. That is without question. But also I feel it will help personal individuals who are not necessarily in business or thinking of starting up a business. But I do feel that if you need some structure in your business and to give it some guidance, then definitely, most definitely.
Okay, great. I'm glad to hear that. And it's been an absolute pleasure working with you, Shanta.
And you.
And I have a feeling that we will be working together a lot in the future because we both do speaking and training, and especially you now more so than ever before. And you'll be definitely seeing us a lot. So we'll keep in touch.
We'll do indeed.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.